Hey, it's Merrill here, and today we're going to be covering how do you qualify to skipper a boat on a charter. So, dreaming of skippering a powerboat, sailboat on a vacation in the Caribbean, Mediterranean, Pacific? The dream is closer than you think. It's actually relatively straightforward, but it's certainly not about just earning certificates. True qualification comes from a combination of knowledge, practical skills, and experience. Before we begin, if you're interested in doing a bareboat charter, first off, you want to focus on knowledge and experience. Many new sailors make the mistake of chasing certificates without building the necessary skills. And over here, we believe that competence comes from three key pillars. 1, knowledge theory. That's kind of understanding the theory of boating. You learn navigation, the rules of the road, safety principles. 2, practical skills. So that's actually going out on a boat and practicing boat handling, docking, and anchoring in real-world conditions. And 3, experience. Experience is basically using the knowledge and theory and practical skills over time. You build a level of experience. So why does all of this matter, these 3 skills? Pretty much all major charter companies require a sailing resume to show recent and relevant experience on boats of a similar size and a similar type before you can actually even do a charter. So they're going to be on you. This experience that you need ensures that you're ready to handle these real world challenges that you could face, whether it be navigating tight marinas, managing a crew, or handling unexpected situation. I'm going to give you the 12-step journey of how to skipper bareboat charter, the steps that you got to take. So first off, you want to start with theory. Begin with some online theory courses to build a foundational knowledge of how boats work. There's a few introductory courses on Nautic Ed, so check those out. 2, take a professionally skippered vacation. You can basically rent a boat and go on a sailing vacation, an easy destination like BVI's, and bring an instructor with you. And though you won't come out of it with a certificate, it'll help build that level of knowledge you need in real world situations. And having someone with you really just creates a more stress-free environment. The next step would be to dive into the actual bareboat theory courses. Again, those will be linked in the show notes, but it basically is a comprehensive bundle of everything that you need to know, whether it be navigation, anchoring, weather, management of a bareboat, some things to be aware of. Next thing that we'll tell you to do is gain some local experience, sail with some friends, join a yacht club, crew on some boats, gain some hands-on experience. Essentially, the more you boat, the more confident you're going to become. The next one that we'll say, which is kind of a unique one, but is virtual reality. Now, I didn't believe it until I tried it. But yeah, this VR stuff you can get, there's an app called Marineverse, and it is all these different components of the boat actually interact. There's windage, there's prop walk. You can get this VR headset for pretty cheap. I think it's $300, $400, something like that. And you can practice all these different skills in a environment in your living room, and you're not going to break anything. So that's an easy way to gain some experience. Next one we'll recommend is getting some professional instructor to refine your skills and address any weaknesses. Next, undergo an assessment after you've gained, especially with the Nautic Ed SLC. So once you've kind of done the theory knowledge, the practical skills, you go out and you do an assessment. Basically, you go out with an instructor, they go through the whole rigmarole with you, and then they try to pass you through it. A good option is to plan a flotilla. Flotillas are multiple boats kind of going out of a charter destination together. It's pretty fun. A lot of people with you. So it gives you this feeling of safety to be around others. But yeah, it's pretty much our path to competence. And remember, at the end, you don't want to focus on just earning a certificate. You want to really focus on building knowledge, skills, and experience to handle boats safely and competently. And you can start your journey with that Nautic Ed Bareboat Charter Master course, which are in the show notes.